Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 42-inch Cleveland airplane company or aeronautics company. I thought it was Cleveland, this town, until I saw that A creeped in there, and originally I looked it up and see that Cleveland was originally spelled that way. They got rid of the A so it could fit on the newspaper. There's your lesson for the day. So anyways, if you are into this brand or we're looking for a nice, clean porcelain sign, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.